While you are here on vacation in Tuscany, who would you ask for advice about living the territory, locations and experiences in a true, authentic way? I would ask those who live here, those who left a piece of their heart here, someone who would show me and let me taste this land slowly. Someone who leads you to the discovery of local farmhouses, among wine and oil tastings which hold tales of history and tradition. Someone who will take you on a bike tour with professional guides through more than 100 kilometers of both gravel and road routes, discovering outstanding landscapes both on e-bikes and standard bikes, or the good old way by horse, and even by foot, crossing and hiking through rivers and valleys, gazing through landscapes made of ancient forests, olive groves and vineyards, or following the nose of a special guide in search of the precious truffle, the gold of the gods, that goes from woods to the table, which holds the secret of an ancient cuisine. I would ask us meaning Amot, the Association of Montaigne's hotelier and accommodation providers. We are those who welcome you to your piece of Tuscany. And we are right here, waiting for you to let live unique emotions and unforgettable experiences that you will keep in your hearts forever.